In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Sheets and explore some basic Excel-like features that will set you on the path to becoming more efficient. Now, sit back and relax as I guide you through the very first steps of logging into your Google account and navigating Google Sheets. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Google account. Fire up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google homepage. Feel free to pause here if you need to enter your credentials or take a moment to double check that you're successfully logged in. Once you're on the homepage, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the iconic Google Apps icon resembling a small grid of squares. Give it a click and voila, you'll see a drop-down menu showcasing all Google apps. Next on our agenda is locating Google Sheets. Simply scroll through the list of apps until you find the Sheets icon and click on it to be directed to the Google Sheets portal. Now, this is an exciting moment because it's time to create a brand new spreadsheet. To do this, look for the plus blank option, usually located at the top left corner, and click it. This will open up a fresh, pristine sheet, ready for you to unleash your creativity. Now let's dive into some fundamental Excel-like features that are essential for data manipulation. Begin by typing text into any cell of your choice, and it really doesn't matter where you start, as every cell in a spreadsheet has the potential to become a data powerhouse. To edit any text you've entered, simply double-click on the cell. This action puts the cell in edit mode, allowing you to refine what you've typed or make changes as necessary. Perhaps you've made an error or simply want to clear the content of a cell completely. No worries, deleting content is as easy as pressing the delete key on your keyboard with a single keystroke. The cell is wiped clean, giving you a fresh start. But what if you want to replace the cell's data rather than just delete it? You can easily overwrite existing content by clicking the cell once and typing new text. The new entry will immediately replace the old one, making data updates quick and seamless. And just like that, you've conquered the basics of typing, editing, and deleting data in Google Sheets, closely mirroring what is possible in Excel. These actions are things you'll do all the time as you manage your spreadsheets, serving as the building blocks for more complex operations that you'll tackle in the future. With a little practice, you'll soon be navigating and manipulating data with ease, becoming more productive and effective at handling your everyday tasks.